Noyo no muganone no Omwanchi Trubena.
I'm sorry I fucked up. You fucked my dad, Sophie. You have no shame. You should be ashamed of yourself. Dad, I trusted you. Dad. I swear to God I did not fuck your dad. Oh yeah, who did? Was I the one? No. So what happened? Huh? What happened, Sophie? No, I don't want to listen to stories. Go straight to the point. No, are you going to speak the truth? I seriously cannot do this right now. You're a liar, Sophia. You're a liar. You lied to me. You lied to my face. I came here for you, and you lied to my face, Sophia. You lied to my face. Sophie, you have no shame. I'm sorry. I came here for you. The only person who cares about me. And then I come here. How could you? I was and then I find out you're one of them. What do you want me to do? I am so disappointed. I am so angry. I don't even know what I expected. Everyone has let me down. Everyone. I don't even know why I expected any less from you. You have no shame, Sophia. I don't even know why you're here. You should get off. I don't want to talk to you. Get off.
I've got money. I smell money. You feel me? Huh?
Oh God. I assume D, right?
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Guess what?
How much money is this?
What's your money? The money I owe you.
The guy was loaded me kwanda nilijua.
Really?
Okay.
Chazangi kidogo. Now you know, eh? Kula. It's your money. Have it. God.
I love money so
Oh my
much.
God, money is sweet. Money is sweet. Money is sweet. Oh God. Mimi hapa mimi best friend ya huyu.
Oh bestie, wewe ndio mama. Samora alifanya mambo. Samora alisiangeneka bibi yake alafu nilikuwa mkani.
Kugonga vizuri.
Wewe na Okiondo mimi na wao. Okiondo mimi amekuwa vixen kwa ngoma yangu. Alinipiga uchapa.
Nivo.
Hadi tuko kwa set kama namfanyaje like alafu ananiambia hapo atiki yako sio za kweli. Mimi ndio nacheka. Kimoko kichwa. Okiondo akisikia mama yiri chuka.
Huyu ndio nilipiga mpaka nikaona.
Nini chapa? Huko.
Alafu anasema uchungu ndio machozi tu. Mimi nilichapa hadi pia mimi nilipenda. Alafu utalia ukweli. You be like njoko ukimantende ukumo sata ikisibuonge kabiti irigeti woro njwa nikaanza kufanya hivi na hata wewe njoo sana njwa sasa ndio vile hapo nilikuja nikaamka chini nikamwambia bora kama ni sahani ya rengi ndarochi ile unakuwa expect kugomea shit hata uchigani Alafu unajua bado kwa
Ile ukweli selling ile
Ukafeel.
so kila mtu watching your stuff anasemanga si mtu alikupiga ulisikia uchungu wewe acha tu wewe. Zile nilishinda tu kumwambia wewe unakuwa serious sana. You have to meet me like that.
Say something.
Njega ndo maite video ye. Itakuwa lit.
Nakwambia. Uko si staff.
Already mko lit.
International yani.
Si unaona huyu anachana hii, Hivi toko beke mtu.
Kama ni
Weka.
Acha nifaharie.
No maneno.
unachange mara nyingi.
Acha nifaharie.
Unachange hapa.
I look like a classy woman. Yeah. I'm going to take your boyfriend, okay? I'm going to take your boyfriend away from me. Yeah, Logan is my boyfriend.
No, Farike.
The other movie.
The other movie.
Stuff.
So, you can tell us something about you, personal, and the role you play.
Personally, Nyagetiara, my name is Lorraine, and we are now preparing for a shoot that we are so excited for, and we just pray that on 14th tusaidia sana kuje tubarizi it will be a very romantic moment that kila mtu atakuja tu by so kama unanipenda kuja niko yeah hii si shtue watu lakini msijali hiyo siku mnitafute tuingie hiyo base 2x2 watu wawili tuka tumedress
Osoro mnataka mtafute costume designer ama mko na yeye?
Kwa kumwara gini. Watu ni 14.
Mocha, imagine niko single nilibutiwa. So I'm expecting you to come na useme Bochaberi you mine. Alafu dress in red. Shikilie. Juu mimi sitakuwa nimevaa red na ngoja tu surprise yako hata kama nika earring, hata kama nika pete, hata kama ni smarter. Thank you. Ya red. Singe chonde singo kwa kiasi tarehe 14 ninunga nyote kwa hivi. Ninunga nyote.
Our main girl. The sick girl.
Yes. Hi.
Kwanza kitu ya kwanza tuambie wewe ni nani, the role you're playing today, what do you expect today and the end of the project.
Yes, my name is Yvonne. I am playing Trubena in this movie. Day one of shooting, we're about to go on set. And yes, see you on 14th when we'll be screening the movie.
Are you single?
Well,
It's 14th.
Yeah,
you can come and find out for yourself if I'm single or not. See you there, bye.
Single.
And the standing stand.
Mine is kind of complicated, but
Let's start from
single niko hapo katikati, sawa? Valentine tukutane pale 14.
mtu akikuja vizuri anaweza toka na wewe.
Your vibe mazendo itakuuza ya na mfuko pale usisahau lazima ujaze mfuko.
Oh.
It's 2020 mazendo.
Somebody just confessed. Alafu nikuulize, hebu ambie your real names, what you do apart from these.
Faith Momanyi, Faith Stan is my stage name. I sing apart from acting. Yeah, it's my passion. It's what I do.
Wow, expect nini je show tunapiga?
Hii stuff mazeni beast, yeah. It's a boss thing, mazeni. Ukikosa hii mazeni hata uko 2020 yourself 2019 mazeni. This is a boss thing. It's fire.
Wow, awesome.
The mama we are there.
Leave it. You're supposed to be classy. Leave it.
I'll make it for you. I'll make it for you.
No, she's not supposed to look like Nini.
Classy.
Yeah, she's supposed to look very...
We can
Manduli
make the
style.
style classy.
Do you know how to tie it? The manduli
style. That's what I'm saying. But
To do. Try hard.
Hard work.
But I will make it.
Hey girls, thank you for your time.
Bye.
Now you can.
Bye. Get out.
Bye. We
Say
do
the
our
bye.
thing. Bye. We do our thing. Come on.
most interested in the dress. So whatever you comfortable kuvalia nayo na the dress iko sawa, so long as especially the top and the helmet is vizuri. So you put on the
I'm going to put the headgear because my hair is unmade.
I want to
visited the salon for some time.
That is dangerous.
Yeah, it is dangerous. Tomorrow, sorry. Nikapeleka mtoto shule bora mshukuru na nikajirusha. Kama kwa wewe unajirusha. Kuiruka?
kuanzia
I wonder why.
Where you don't shoot porn.
Sisi tungelita jana nikusaidie kuchambua.
Mr. Harry. Oh, it's the first day of the project. What are your expectations? How much do you think we're going to complete today?
We hope to beat the deadline by 5 or 6.
Yes.
Depending on the speed of the crew and the cast.
Okay.
But we are just praying we always get the
Go
best.
all the way.
And if we do it 10 days, we get the best.
The best.
Yeah.
Kitu ya kwanza kabisa tupate the best. Doesn't matter how long.
The kitu ya pili pia tupate your best.
Okay, what do you see? What do you want to tell guys when I expect the end product? What's your vision about utaiweka wapi? So, just another project or something?
Ours is to tell a story the best way we can.
Yes.
Theirs is also to watch and judge by their own. I mean, if they like the story,
Okay.
kuna place inaandika subscribe, like.
Okay. And comment.
Yeah, storyteller is a storyteller.
No, they subscribe even if they don't like the story.
Yeah.
They first subscribe.
Yeah.
Then mambo mengine baadaye.
I see. That's
Question.
great. Oh, you didn't introduce yourself, sorry.
My name is Harry Moenga. I come from Nyamachi. I'm a Kisii. My mom is a Kisii and my dad too. Yeah.
That makes you one.
Yeah.
And you tell them who you are, please.
Oh, my name is Joe Tai. I come from Kisii.
Come from Kisii.
Yeah.
It's not. You're okay. That doesn't make you a Kisii. Are you a Kisii?
I'm a pure Kisii.
And you come from here.
And I come from Kisii.
Oh, thank you.
Mama na baba.
Hey, tell them who you are.
Yes.
What you're going to, what you're playing today.
Eh?
Who you are and what you're playing today. The role you're playing.
I'm trying to reaffirm to my daughter that I'm still a DNA father. Yes. And then try to calm her from the hatred insisted by her mother.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. Oh, tell them your name.
Ubina Nyambane.
Vile Nyambani. Great. And to our princess. Hello.
Hello.
Yo, tell these guys who you are. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
On camera. We are in.
Wow, I think this is the
On
most
the ground,
beautiful.
things are different.
Have I been shooting all
They are
only
better.
men?
On the ground,
Alright.
Nancy, and I'm playing the role of Bochaberi.
Bochaberi.
Yes.
Yeah, what are your expectations today, Nasi?
Kuuliza kesho Jumanne ni wa kesho. Si wa leo.
No, you're alright.
not morale.
Sasa utapatia wengine morale?
Na food.
Yeah. Ndio tupikia. Thank you, Mr. Director. Was very good.
Location.
Sam. Yeah. The first location.
Tuanze na nini? Sasa pia
Kitchen.
tuanze kitchen tukiingia kuja kuna props wanaleta za
Dining.
breakfast. So tunaenda
Si kabaki tukuni nyingine. Saizi no road achini food.
hata pia zake.